Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. This is Christian Ramos with the Nav Agency, and today we're in Georgetown, Texas. We're going to be touring a GFO home in the Heights of San Gabriel community. This is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath home with a 2-car garage right at 3,400 square feet. This one's in a really nice location. It's right on the corner lot, right by the community mailbox, and right across the street, you're going to have the basketball and pickle court. This home is priced at $775,000, and the builder is currently offering a 4.99 fixed rate for the first 10 years. So you will have a nice affordable payment for a house this price, but we're gonna go ahead and take a tour of the whole home. Another advantage of this community is that it's gonna have a 1.81 tax rate. So that's going to be a huge advantage. And as we walk in the front door, you can see that all the landscaping in the front is done really beautifully. One of the nice things about GFO homes is they're going to have super tall ceilings and a lot of natural light and windows. So as we come in the house, you're going to get a grand entry with like a half of spiral staircase up to the top floor that has an overlook in both directions. As soon as you come into the house to the right, you do have an office. And just like I was saying, you're getting these tall ceilings and beautiful windows that let all of the sun inside. This is actually a really nice size office. You could fit a desk, a chair, some bookshelves, a lot of different things in here. And then to the left, you're gonna have your first guest bedroom. This bedroom is a little bit on the smaller side. I say you can fit a queen size bedroom set in here, no problem. But it is wonderful for guests because it does have its own dedicated bathroom with a shower and tub. As you can see, it's got a small closet. I wouldn't really consider that a walk-in closet, but the double doors are very nice. I'd say this is certainly going to be one of the highlights of the home. You get this grand living room. As you can see, the super tall ceilings, all the windows across the top, and all of the built-in lighting just gives you like a huge space feeling. And I absolutely love the location of this particular house because you get a huge yard. It is a little bit in a triangle shape, but I think that if you are a little bit creative, you get to utilize all that space. You could put a pool, outdoor kitchen, a garden, and even this covered patio outside is beautiful. As we move into the kitchen area, you do get a nice island. It looks like in this home, we're gonna have the kind of traditional white finishes with this beautiful countertops here. They got like a marble and even some backsplash. You also get a gas stove, stainless steel range, walk-in pantry. I'll say that's a pretty good amount of space. Stainless steel dishwasher, stainless steel built-in oven and microwave, and a good amount of cabinets. I say you do have a lot of storage in this home. The island also has a little bit of an overhang here, so you could put some pub stools or some bar stools to use as a table as well. Also on the first floor, you get a nice private primary bedroom. And GFO does a really good job, once again, with the windows and all the natural light. This room is a good size, and it does give you like a nice private entry with that hallway as you walk in. You could certainly fit a king size bedroom set in here, no problem. And the highlight of this room, it is this absolutely stunning bathroom. You're gonna get a double vanity, his and hers, that are completely separate, a soaking tub. You might have to tint this window here. I'll go outside and see if it's completely see-through just like this, but the shower is incredible. The shower is beautiful. You get a walk-in shower, a closed-off room here with the toilet, and you're also gonna get a very decent-sized walk-in closet. This is actually surprising. I didn't notice this here, but it's got a shelf and a whole lot of places to hang clothes. So I say that even if you got a little bit creative and added more storage in here, this is already plenty. But I love this bathroom. It gives me like a luxurious feeling when I'm in here. And honestly, it feels like it's the same size as the bedroom, which is pretty incredible. And once again, you do get a view of your backyard and even some Texas nature in the back. We're gonna look at the laundry room very quickly, and then I'm gonna go upstairs and show you all the room upstairs. A home like this that's over 3,400 square feet is certainly going to feel very spacious in every living space. Like even this laundry room feels unnecessarily large, right? You could fit your machines in here. It would be nice if they would have put some cabinets, but a shelf is good enough. I think you could always upgrade this in the future, but having tile in the laundry room is certainly an advantage. You're also going to get a guest bath, which is for pretty close to the entry, and a 2-car garage. All right, let's go upstairs. The grand staircase is one of the key features of this home. And as you come up, it kind of gives you that feeling that you're going into another private space. But you can also entertain up here with this secondary living room loft area right here. You could fit a pretty good sized sectional in here, hang your TV, you know, make this a kids play area, or just kind of like a theater setup with even additional computers and things like that. And there should be 3 bedrooms up here as well. I would say both of these bedrooms are pretty standard size, but with the windows, they feel very lively. You get nice views, like this one's incredible. And here you get to see that basketball court like we were talking about. I do like that in this house, all the finishes match. So like in the kitchen and all the bathrooms, you're getting the same cabinets, the same fixtures, and the same countertops. This is what you would call a Jack and Jill bathroom, where 2 bedrooms are gonna be have access to 1 bathroom. And this room here is certainly gonna be the biggest of the bedrooms upstairs. And it even has this like nice features to the roof. After driving through this neighborhood, I think this is gonna be one of the best houses to choose, especially in this price point, because of the location in the community and the proximity to all the entertainment, the shopping, the restaurants, to I-35. There's just a whole lot of things to do in this area. We're not too far from the Wolf Ranch Shopping Center and a lot of other fun things, but the view from up here is astonishing. You get to see all of your windows, and I'm gonna kind of zoom in a little bit up there, but you do get like a picturesque nature view out of all the windows and get a different perspective from when you're up here. Even if there's someone in the kitchen cleaning or cooking, you can kind of spend time with them and talk to them from up here, which is really cool as well. And you can also see the front of your house. So pictures would be amazing on this staircase. And it gives you that wonderful open concept layout. If you're interested in moving to the Georgetown area, I am an expert up here. I'm a realtor. I'd be happy to assist, send you options, walk you through the process, schedule appointments for you. I'd love to be a primary resource if you've been thinking about buying a home. It's an absolutely beautiful day out here. It's a great day to come look at houses. And I appreciate you watching. If you want to see more tours, like and subscribe, share the video with people that you think would be interested in moving to Texas. But this is an excellent opportunity. Once again, just check out this absolutely gorgeous front of the house here. Once again, my number is 737-383-9747. If you're interested in moving to Texas, upgrading, if you need to sell your current house, I'd be happy to assist with that. Have a wonderful day.